Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. So on today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to actually copy or get your channel URL. This might be difficult for a lot of people because most times they ask or they request for channel URL and we can mistake that for custom URL. Now let me show you guys the two different URL. The first one right there is your channel URL, it is your custom URL, and the second one is your channel URL. This if you open this link and paste it on your browser, it's going to take you to the same channel. But then if you are chatting YouTube support or you are chatting Google for a specific info and they request you to put your channel URL, or maybe when you are signing up for something they request you to put your channel URL, this is what they mean. But when they say put your custom URL, that is what they mean. So let me show you guys right here how to get them. So to get your custom URL, you can easily get them right here. Come to your channel area and click on this three-dotted icon and you click on share and you click on copy. When you copy that, it's going to be only your custom URL that will be pasted. Let me paste it right here. This is it, my custom URL, which is also correct. You can notice it's the same thing from the above. Now, if you want to actually get both of them at the same place, this is what you need to do on your mobile. Come to studio.youtube.com and then you hit enter. Wait for it to load up. It might take some minutes. And once this has loaded up, all you need to do, let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit. All you need to do is to click on the magic wand on this left hand area just before the dollar icon. Click on that magic wand. Now that magic wand is going to take you to the YouTube customization area of your channel. Now in the next place you need to go to is your basic. Now if you click on your basic, just scroll down a little bit and you're going to notice where it says custom URL and channel URL. Now you need to also double tap on this or tap once and then you hit copy, and you have copied that, and you can see that this is our channel URL and it corresponds with the previous one I had copied before. So this is actually how to get your channel URL and your custom URL. And if you also go over to this area and paste that link, it's going to take you to the same area of your channel. It's going to take you right to your channel, and from there you can see all of your video and everything. So this is actually how to get your custom and your channel URL at the same place. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like and subscribe the channel for more video. I will see you guys soon. Please stay safe and peace.